Hello fellow low carbers! Share ko lang po sa inyo paano ako gumawa ng aking low carb meal. Boiled egg is my rice substitute. At yung ulam ko, roasted chicken quarter part. Please check link at the comment section kung paano gumawa nitong roasted chicken. At yung sausawan na ito, chili garlic and coco aminos from Jedder's Green Dahan. Please check their Facebook page, Lazada and Shopee. Just type Jedder's Green Dahan. Makikita nyo na yung iba't ibang mga products for keto, low carb, and paleo diet. They ship nationwide. At ngayon, tikman na natin yung masarap na sausawan.